Okay. I'm sorry. What was that? What was that, Chuy?
I was just asking if you wanted to take the lead on like the first agenda topic, like always welcome, like the welcome part. Yeah, like the
Yeah,
weekly
for
playlist
sure.
and all of
Yeah,
that.
what's everyone some intentions, distractions, and um, either what's been on your playlist or some movie or series that you've been binging on. So let's start with Lauren.
Oh, hey everyone. Yeah, my intentions for the call are to sync up with everybody, and also I was working with Nate on a post, kind of like explaining like where we're at in the hatch, and so just wanted to touch base on that, especially if Nate shows up. And yeah, my distractions, not very distracted right now. My what's on my playlist. I've been listening to some like really cheesy lovey-dovey songs. That's been like my playlist this week. And I'll pass it to Ivy.
Thanks, Lauren. My intention is to sync with you. See where I can support and also give updates. But I think Man can do that. Give updates on Twitter plan for this week and the coming days. Distraction none. Maybe what I haven't been listening to some music the past days, but I've been binge watching The Big Bang Theory. I think since since May, and I haven't finished. I'm now on season 7, and I pass it to Eduardo.
Hello, everyone. Intentions. Just to catch up. Having a small talk about these scouts and instructions. That I'm in Madrid, so probably my internet is not the best. And then about playlist. I think Billie Holiday, because there is a new um movie about her, and I didn't know she was in prison, and I didn't know she was an activist. So it's interesting. So now I listen to her music in a different perspective. So that's on that. And I will pass it on to you, Septimus.
Thanks, Edu. Yeah, my intentions. There are some Hatch DAO proposals that are going to happen, and I would love to see how are we going to communicate and if I can support on that. I know Ivy is working on the Twitter stuff for that decisions. And yeah, I do not have any distraction. And for the playlist, I'm listening a lot of Sweet M. It's an Spanish rapper, and yeah, I was listening this week. And I'll pass it to Suga.
Howdy! All right. So I'm here to catch up. Hi there. I'm here to catch up. It's been a while. I've had some crazy stuff going on lately, and I'm here for catching up. And I don't know if I mentioned Yola Tango one of these times. It feels like I did, because when you say Yola Tango, I'm trying to say it with a halfway decent accent, but that's kind of weird because it's a New York band with a Spanish name. So good stuff. Okay, so sorry, I was a few minutes late. I don't know who. I pass back to Chuy.
Thank you, Katie. I think Juanca hasn't gone.
Yeah. Well, I have two punctual intentions for this call, and one is to share that I posted a forum post for the 75% governance giveback. The idea is to read the proposal, comment if you have something to comment, and engage in this process that should end in a vote to decide this governance retroactive. And the other thing is that I already have like finished the Medium blog post for the Graviton training, to promote the Graviton training. So yeah, I would like, if we can have like one final review, just to send it to publication. And I don't have any distraction. And my song of the week is called Nos Fuimos pa Madrid. That is a song that we were hearing in the car with my girlfriend's parents. So yeah, it's a old song, but it's a good song. So I will send it in the comments, in the comms channel. I will pass to Nate.
Hey, how's it going? Intentions, catch up and help out with communications, distractions, none at the moment, just early in the morning, so apologies for my tardiness. And what was the third one? Something related to music or podcast?
Yeah, your weekly playlist or podcast or music or TV show, whatever what you want to share.
Okay, let's see. I've just been I haven't listened to much music this week. I'm really kind of sad about it. I need playlist suggestions, and I guess that's why this question exists. So if you have anything you want me to listen to, send it my way, okay? But I'll pass it back to you, Chuy, because I don't know who's next.
Thank you, Nate. I think that's Septi, have you gone already?
Jeez, this mic. Yeah, I went. Sorry
Okay.
for that.
It's
I think,
so good to have you back, Chuy.
Thank you, Nate. It's
I think yeah.
okay. You take it, Manu. It's okay. Like today's working group is gonna be like a hybrid of Manu and me, like going back and forth. So yeah, hopefully I'll sync up like these next couple of days, and yeah, it's good to be back. I missed a lot everyone here. So yeah, it's good to be back. Thanks everyone, and back to you, Manu.
Yeah, Chuy, if you can, if we can fuse together like some Dragon Ball Z
Two-headed
superhero
monster,
where
baby.
I can, yeah, like a mythical figure of old. If you can share your screen and I can only do voice because the Hurricane has my Wi-Fi a little bit dicey. But if yeah. Anyway, the as in the working group's agenda, there was an awesome idea that hey, welcome David. We're barely starting. So hey. Yeah, so there's this awesome idea that Ivy had about having did you know that format where we go over all the parameters, and we started a Google Doc to work on that, and the link is on the comms channel, and yeah, starting in September we informed. Yeah, I don't know if regarding this campaign, Ivy, since you had the idea, would you like to give some general overview of what we worked at yesterday and where we'll be going this next week?
Yeah, sure. So we had this idea of like because we think that the parameters are like critical information during the comments upgrade. So we thought of sending out like a series of tweets highlighting each parameter. So it's just gonna be like one or two parameters a day, and it's gonna be like in a did you know format. Yeah, so just to and it might take like 2 weeks. Like yeah, for this week we're gonna talk about the CCD parameters, and then in the coming week, we're gonna talk about the advanced CCD parameters. So yeah, but it might be too late to start this week because we haven't finished the the draft yet. So probably next week. And Chuy also had this idea to make like an announcement, like make it announce it like in a like an event, not really an event, but that's like something like hey, this week is Bram's week. So watch out for the series of tweets coming out in the next day. So the goal here is to help people better understand the parameters, and yeah, and to get their attention to those parameters. So yeah, Trui will yeah, we'll review this one, but we might also ask people who posted this parameters in the forum, like Mitch, Lauren, and Nate and Manu, to just have a quick look before we before we post them, just to make sure that we get the description accurately. So yeah, so like just like to make it in a fun, like a fun pack format, so it doesn't like too technical, and it can we can have the interest of the audience. Yeah.
We have our parents. Chewy was just in the parents call, and he mentioned this as well. We have our parents hack session on Sunday from 12 Mountain Time until 4. It's like a 4-hour hack session. It would be an awesome time to work on this collaboratively. Ivy, if you wanted to join, or I think Chewy was maybe going to join as well, and I would be happy to contribute to this as well. Yeah, it's basically just like a 4-hour hack session, so we could just like Mitch will be there, I'll be there. Maybe Griff will be there, Griff will be there. I don't know. All these cool people are there, so we can all kind of like put some feedback into the tweets.
Yes, this is a great idea to sync on Sunday. So I feel that as you were saying, Ivy, this can be like a good opportunity to just like bounce what we're planning around. And also on the last call, Maria was there. So like in between Manu's experience with like user feedback, and she mentioned that she didn't really like get a hold of Rams, like she's in that stage. So maybe we could even bring her like on board to just like test like how well the explainers are working, and how these can be like as clear as possible for new coming members. So yeah, there are like some resources that we can put together, and maybe for the next week's params sync on next Tuesday, we can make like concrete and specific decisions for starting this on the first week of September. So we also have the proposals, the proposals that we need to promote. So this week, I feel is going to be great for trying to just like not like overflood the like the this kind of content, like so that it like people don't get mixed up with this. But I feel that I have a really good feeling around the params campaign. Also, like I don't think that this has been having like a lot of follow up, but in the months of the hatch, we got like really good growth in our Twitter account. So I'm excited to take the most out of this, to spread this information and try to organize it as clear as possible, and use our experience from the last month to like optimize this, and for it to be as clear as possible for everyone. Yeah, thanks, Lauren, for adding this. Okay, Manu just got like this got disconnected, but yeah, let's go. Yeah, let's go with the next one. He says because of the hurricane. Luckily, the hurricane hasn't really hit where I am, so Good. Okay, so our next agenda topic are the TE Scouts. Is something that we've been like really excited about, but we haven't had like a proper uh, way of like organizing or laying it down because everything that was going on around the hatch. So I feel that now is a great opportunity to pick it up. So the first thing that I would ask you, Edu, is do you still want to have this meeting on Wednesdays instead of the Hatch Outreach working group, or would you like to suggest another time? Because of the volunteers that we've had so far, I feel that PST mornings could be a great idea. But yeah. What are your thoughts on this?
Yeah, so this is Scouts. So basically, what I think is that Hatch Outreach has closed, so that time spot it's free. So it could be this Scouts or it could be changed to any other time. It should be fine. We keep it at Hatch Outreach in order to combine the two calls, so Tam could like understand where we were going. She didn't express any intentions to or any need to keep attending these calls, so we can change to any other time that you suggest that fits you. For me, it's perfectly fine anytime you suggest. Besides that, what we have week with Nate is to have a small meeting to recognize how we are gonna the strategy for sort of which communities we will target later on. And there is a post on the forum that
I
I
posted in the
proposed.
agenda as well.
Say what?
I said I posted the link in the agenda as well for TESCAT.
Exactly. So basically, it's a proposed framework to understand how TC Scouts could processes could like relate to the other working groups if it's needed. Idea is that in the envision of the TC Scout is kind of a dynamizer and spreading the word out about the TC. And the idea would be to, since we are sort of getting into the Commons upgrade, is to outreach or go to communities that has gone through spotlight to the spotlight, so we can reconnect with them and see if they want, or if we just want to outreach our community to them. So ideally, I think this week we could have a meeting at any time that is possible, and then prepare for next week to sort of start doing this outreach to other communities. The frame post more sort of can construct a more organized TC Scouts working group, or just TC Scouts as part of comms. I really don't mind. But yeah, so that's the update on my side.
Okay, thanks, Edu. Yeah, it sounds good. So unless you have like an issue, maybe I can start programming this for next week, and we could use this week to kind of like build some hype around it and do like some outreach in other communities to see if someone would be interested to be part of this project. And yeah, I'll also I haven't really like updated with this forum post that Nate just sent, so I'll give it a read to see how we could improve this. Thanks like to everyone, by the way, that has been like adding some agenda topics, because yeah, like we really need to like catch up on some stuff. So thank you very much for the suggestions. So we are we'll go to the next agenda topic, which is the Graviton training promotion. So, oh wait, this was the wrong link. Yeah, okay. So about the Graviton training, as you know, we have well, Juanca just stepped out, but we start a new Graviton training on September 21st. So the dates might be like a little bit difficult because of the Commons upgrade, which is going to happen like around this around the same time. But I'm pretty sure we can find like different ways like to promote it. Also, POAPs are a great. Oh, Juanca just came back. We're talking about the Graviton training promotion. So POAPs are also like a great tool. We could be promoting this as well. And yes, is there like a proper call to action, Juanca, that you'd like to suggest, or should people be directed to the to our TEC Discord? Just any like insight that you can have on this can help us a lot plan ahead.
Yeah, thank you. Sorry, I just realized that I made a mistake on the link, so I am going to update it. Yeah, the document, I think it's ready for my side to publish, but yeah, I want to have like one final review to see like if we can publish it. I just updated the link. Yeah, and I think the document describes like everything on the Graviton training. It has you can register here, and it says like, yeah, the call to action is to join the Token Engineering Commons server, and we will meet every Tuesday at 8 p.m. CEST after TC soft calls starting the 21st of September and ending the 23rd of November. So, like,
Okay.
if you think that it can be published, we can publish it right now.
Okay, and also Acid Laser has been supporting you with some graphic content for this, right?
I'm sorry, my internet connection is acting really bad, so I couldn't understand
worries.
well.
Acid Laser has been supporting you with graphics, right?
Yes. These designs and these infographics have been done by Acid Laser.
Okay, so maybe we could use some of this to start. I mean, I know that this one has been posted, but maybe like small, like smaller posts about. Oh, this is great. Like smaller, like posts about what gravity is, like how people can come aboard, like why does it take like more weeks like for this program. So maybe like a small Q&A, but I'll ask him to see if he already has some content that we can use. And yeah, we'll be pushing this like almost like immediately starting this week.
Hey, I just wanted to throw in some,
Sorry,
one.
Nick, go ahead.
Do we have a sign up page for this? Because I do think this might be very, very popular, and it'd be really easy, like really nice to have a sign up page that we can utilize, even if it's through like a website form or anything like that.
Yes, if you open the document, there is a you can register here link, and it takes you to the register to the sync up spreadsheet.
Maybe I would also like to suggest Juanca, maybe like a Google form. I don't know if you've worked with those, but pretty much this spreadsheet can be like filled out like automatically, and it can be more user friendly. Oh, let me write myself now. Yeah. So maybe like some kind of like solution like a Google form or like a type form that is like more user friendly could also help. But this is just like a suggestion. Like I see that there are a lot of people interested already, including myself. So yeah, we'll be seeing each other like around this. So is there anything else that you feel we could cover during this campaign, or would you say that this this post pretty much like sums it up? Oh, where is it? I lost it. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I think that I want to publish it the sooner the better. because we are going to have the Crypto Commons gathering on the 28th, and I would really like if this document is published before that day, so we can share it with the people that is participating in that event.
Okay, I'll give it a read and see if we can get together some feedback so that you can publish it as soon as possible. Hey, Chris, welcome.
Being that it's on Medium, I'm also very happy to give it a read, just to maybe some editing little things or whatever. But I don't think I can do that. I don't think I can do that.
They can share with you the edit draft link. Monker can share with you the edit draft.
Oh, actually, the funny thing is I might be able to, because I'm...
If it's on Medium, you can.
Well, no, Medium's a little wacky like that. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, I can do it. I'm going to look at it. I'll just do a quick edit. Okay.
I was also going to say that, one, if this, like, I would like to engage other DAOs with this Graviton training, especially in particular, almost more so than the Commons gathering conference, just because I think it has the most utility within DAOs currently. But, I don't know if we have contingencies for like a really large group of people. Are we going to be able to do that, like hold that many people if it does become very popular in the sign-up sheet? I guess I'm asking, like, how aggressive do you want this to be promoted?
Or maybe even promoted with a maximum attendee like requirement or something like this.
I'm sorry because my internet connection is really bad, but I think that one of the limits is the Discord limit that we have in voice calls, that is 25. But I would really like if we can have the videos uploaded so that people can like make the training like asynchronously and still get the pop-up if they see the videos on YouTube, at least for a couple of days. And the number of pop-ups that we are making are 50. So yeah, I think that we can have 25 people in the live session and 25 other pop-ups that can be given to people that watch the videos.
Okay, so you wouldn't say that like to promote or communicate like in any way that there's like a limit to the attendees, or should we just like put it out and see how many people sign up?
I would say that we get, I think we should, just for this one test, just get really aggressive about it. I think that, if I think that if too many people sign up, we can adjust and have like multiple sessions, maybe even like twice a week with the same session. But I don't know, that would be up to Juan and what he thinks is best for the actual curriculum.
Yeah, I'm sorry, and I am not getting to understand everything well because my internet connection is really, really bad today, and I'm really sorry. But Nate, if you feel, please write to me, and I can try to understand better. But yeah, the other thing is that we're going to have the sessions on Tuesdays of the Graviton training, and we're going to try to have like an NBC book club on Thursdays on the normal Gravity call. So yeah, I think I think it would be better if we only have like one session per week and maybe just upload the video so people like can follow it asynchronously. And yeah, to pass to the other topic that I wanted to discuss is that I made this forum post where we are proposing a retroactive governance give back to people that were that receiving pay during the cultural build, and that because of the pay were reduced also governance. So the idea is to give back governance.
Oops. Juan's internet died. But does anybody
Lauren,
have
do you want
like?
to describe it?
Oh, Juan is back. Sorry.
Yeah, governance give back, and that we're gonna give back governance, but it would be locked in the smart contract, so it would be vested, and it's only governance, but it has no economic reward. It's not monetary reward. It's just governance give back.
Okay. I have a question. Would this apply for in the same proportion for people that rage quit in any way, or would rage quit actually change this this number one? Sorry, Lauren, you wanted
The
to
people
say
that
something?
rage will still receive their governance give back.
Okay, and I had a doubt with Ivy earlier today. Does this is sorry, like I'm a little bit like out of context on what it takes like to modify the smart contract, but would this be on snapshot, and would be like a non-chain decision, or would this be something that we adjust like separately off chain?
I think I can support Juan a bit since his internet is not working good. Like the idea is like Juan right now posted the forum post, so right now it's kind of an advice process. So if like someone wants to do some suggestions that might apply to the proposal, correct me if I say something wrong, Juan, all the time. And then like when we have like the advice process, this is going to go on a snapshot vote, so we avoid the tollgate fee in case like community do not want that to happen. And if the community show interest in that to happen, then we're going to propose it on the Hatch DAO, and with of course like the guy who asked for the proposal is going to ask for a back on the tollgate fee, which is 1,000 rapid XDAI.
Okay, I think I got that part, but yeah, I'll
And-
follow this this topic. Sorry, Nate, go ahead.
Sorry, I do have a question. I don't know if Lauren, you can answer this, or but is this staked? These stake tokens can only be used in conviction voting and not disputable. Is that correct? From the current setup.
I think they can be used in both. Yeah. Like you just get it's like as if these people had the equivalent amount of like TECH tokens, but they're only ever going to be used for governance power and they don't have any monetary value.
Gotcha.
But you
Okay.
can use it in conviction voting or in Tau voting.
Okay. Cool. Oh yeah, and the new name for disputable voting is Tau voting.
I also have another question. Sorry.
Have the proposal. It says that there are three possible ways to have a technical solution to solve this issue, but that the vote is to take the decision to make the return of governance, but that the technical solution would be decided on by the common swarm in an open process, because we still need further research for each option, and that also there are pros and cons for each option. One is more simple and could be done for the commons upgrade, and the other would be like better for the long term, but it also has its cons, as it would need some funding and some like devoted crew of developers to be able to design an Aragon app that builds the solution for this situation.
Okay, and Ivy, you had a question as well?
Yeah, my question is because I believe that there are like 4 proposals that will be voted on snapshot. So I wanted to know if these 4 proposals will be voted on simultaneously, or like one proposal happens after the other, like, because so we can make a plan how we will promoting that on Twitter. So yeah, that's my question. If anybody knows.
I think they're going to be done simultaneously because they're like SOC proposals. So they can all exist on Snapshot all at the same time.
So because right now one's proposal is ready, but I think the other 3 proposals are not. So are we gonna wait for the other 3 proposals to be ready as well before they all go to snapshot, or we can start voting on one proposal once it's ready and the others are not?
I think you can vote on them like as they come up. So like you could vote on whichever one is up there first.
Yeah, also I think that this proposal is can be done in a snapshot, but I think that one or two of the other ones they do require the DAO vote.
Okay. Does anybody else have some questions or input on
Yes.
the proposal? Go ahead.
Go ahead, Chuy.
Okay. Go ahead, Septi, because I want to go back to the Medium article.
Okay. Yeah, I just wanted to say, like, we also need to, like, simultaneously, it's going to be hard. I mean, on a snapshot, of course, but when we do the DAO, it's only going to be one decision at a time, and it takes 4 days for a proposal and 4 hours on the vote buffer, if I'm correct. So, yeah, I think it's better, like, if they just come and go. Like, when one is ready, just go. When the other one is ready, just go. And, yeah, that's my feeling. Yeah, back to you, Suga.
Oh, I just wanted to go back real quickly before we move on to the Medium article, the Graviton article. Juanca, I just edited it, and can you just see if it worked? Because the screen that I have, because I have access to publish on behalf of the Token Engineering Commons, it looks like I can either publish what I just edited, because I don't know if y'all know, but Medium can be a little bit tricky. So Chuy, so Juanca already submitted this draft to the TEC, so he can either edit that, or what I've done is I can edit it and click the publish button. So I don't know if he was saying he wanted to publish it now, but Chuy, you were saying you wanted to look at it too?
If you feel it's good to go, Katie, you probably have more information and context because of the last few weeks. So if you feel positive, like for this review, and also if Juanca agrees, I would say let's put it out as soon as possible, and we
Cool.
can start moving it around.
Okay, because I'm a little scared that it's going, if I don't publish it, it will delete all of the edits I just did. But if that happens, that's no big deal. And as you know, even if there's needs to be changes, we can always make changes anytime. You know, you can still make changes afterwards.
Suga, but yeah, if you feel that it's good to go, please let's do it.
Okay, beautiful. Okay, great, beautiful.
Okay, perfect. And our next topic is the TE Academy collaboration. Lauren, do you want to talk to us about it?
I think it's Nate. I didn't put that there.
Yeah, that was me.
Sorry, Nate.
It's all good. So I've been talking with Angela, and she was curious. We're going to have a meeting tomorrow about it, but she was really interested in this idea of collaborating with the TE Academy in terms of comms projects and possibly integrating type of TE Academy rewards into comms, especially if you're going to the approach of a DAO. But this is all still up in the air. I just wanted to bring it to everybody's attention, especially Chuy and Manu and all you guys, that it could be an opportunity. So I'm going to have more information about that tomorrow when I talk with Angela. But the thing that needs to be considered is that we want to make sure that any type of work that is being done with the TE Academy doesn't take away from what we're trying to accomplish here at the TE Commons. So I just wanted to bring that up, and we'll have more to talk about on that subject later. So if anybody has any comments or dissenting voices about something like that, let me know now.
Can I join that meeting, Nate?
So I think you're...
Yeah, definitely. I'll add you to the list.
Yes, also, I feel that it's great for the TE Scouts. Like, it could be a great call of action. And I mean, after all, it's the goal of the TE Scouts to look for more people that engages in this field. So I think it's going to be a great opportunity for this collaboration. I'm sorry, I don't know if you mentioned it, Nate, but when is this meeting happening, or is it still like to be decided?
It's on Thursday.
Okay, Thursday. Is there a specific time?
Not sure on the time yet, but I will let you know, and I'll add a calendar event.
Okay, perfect. Yes, this is this is going to be a great collaboration opportunity. And so there's also this document that you added, Nate, on the TEC Hatch. What's next?
This one was Lauren.
Yeah, I added this.
Oh, sorry.
But it's okay.
Go ahead, Lauren.
Nate and I were working on this post together, and it's basically like the idea is to provide backers to the TEC with a little bit more information on like what to expect, like what's the framing of the TEC hatched out, and like what are the next steps. So the way we broke it up is kind of like in the two phases, and it's sort of a long post. We were thinking of putting it on Medium. Yeah, this part is like just not going to go in the post, but I would love it if somebody, maybe like just like one person, wanted to do like some QA on this, or like provide a little bit of feedback. Yeah, or maybe we could split it up into, I don't know. I just wanted to put this on there because it's something that Nate and I were working on together and wanted to put on the TEC Medium.
Make it a 3-part series.
Griff is back in the 3-part series.
That's what he says. He thinks it's too long. But he didn't really read it.
5-part series.
Oh, shit.
5-part series.
Okay, maybe I don't know if Katie would like to maybe just like make like a quick review of it.
Sure.
This is definitely something that I can like deep dive into today, and I can definitely raise like some comments and yeah, just like ideas that I might have, so we can get this in our Medium as soon as possible. because yeah, like this thing is gonna take us to the governance proposal, and then there are like some more votes around it, and then we have like the params weeks. So I'll definitely take a look, because I feel that it's a great start to this like series of comms that we're gonna have probably the next month. So I can definitely jump on that, Lauren.
That sounds great.
And
Yeah.
thank you and Nate for working on this.
Yeah, and if you guys are going through it, just like also keep in mind the consideration that like maybe how could we make this shorter? And so like take out any like redundant points or point those things out. That would be super valuable. Thanks.
Okay, perfect.
Sorry, one more interruption from me. I just posted
Katie.
the article, so I just wanted to point out that I included it. I just posted it in the comms chat. So I didn't want to assume to post it somewhere else, like Amplify or General. So maybe I don't know if Wonka wants to do that himself, and I can also put it up. Maybe I can put it up into featured. But if somebody, do you know what I'm saying? If you want to spread it around on the Discord or wherever else, by all means.
Okay, my suggestion on this would be right now I would make the what's next article priority, like right now, like for during the week, and maybe we can leave this and like kind of like locally promote it, but maybe we can go like all in on the Graviton training announcement, maybe more like towards the weekend. But I don't know if you guys agree on how to like distribute this information.
Yeah, I just meant even more basically, like if you know, normally when I post something, as you know, I just post a link in the Amplify just to get it started. I didn't do that. I just want to point out with this one, I didn't do it. It's not my article. I didn't know if Wonka wants to do that himself. I don't know.
I also want to suggest that if HubSpot is ready, maybe we can keep using it to distribute information like this.
HubSpot
Or
is ready, and we can. If somebody wants to direct me, I don't know if Ivy, if you want to spearhead that, or if anybody else wants to participate in it. I'm willing to walk anybody through the HubSpot right now. So just let me know.
Nate, do you think we could maybe have a call tomorrow on just like a quick sync on HubSpot?
Yes, we
to
can.
see where we are, because yes, like this, especially these two like contents on what's next for the Hatch and Graviton training could be great opportunities for putting putting HubSpot like on practice. So
and that's something that I'm glad, Chris, you're here, because I do want to make sure that we have the most up-to-date data in terms of like emails and people that are involved in the trusted seed. I know we had a couple of previous updates, but that was before the hatch, and so I know we have a lot more added. So I don't know if that's possible, Chris, but maybe we can integrate that new data into the current HubSpot. Perhaps he's
Chris,
gone.
I don't
I'll
know,
message him personally. Yeah.
I actually have a list of the hatchers and their email addresses, so I can give it to you, Nate, if you need those information.
Is it in a spreadsheet?
Yep, it's in a spreadsheet. And
Yeah,
I think I can help you generate that information and upload it on HubSpot, because I've been doing it for CSLove airdrops before. So
Okay, yeah.
I am happy to speak with you also on that tomorrow with Chuy.
That would be wonderful. Yeah, let's do that.
Okay, perfect. So I mean, Manu Manu couldn't be here because of the whole hurricane thing. But yeah, so like this was a great opportunity for me to catch up with what has been going on. So does anybody else have some suggestions or ideas for how we're gonna be like picking up on most of the comms, or should we finish maybe 5 minutes earlier?
Well, I just wanted to say, holy smokes, you don't have any hair. Looks amazing.
Yes.
Am I allowed to make that comment? I didn't want to interrupt earlier, but now that we're at the end, radical
Yeah,
change.
yeah. Yeah, I had long hair for 7 years, and then yeah, I don't know what happened. I don't know what I was thinking, but I feel better now, like with no antennas. Like it's good from time to time, and also yeah, it's just like I got used to it, even though I regretted the decision. I really wanted like a mullet like Mitch's, but probably for the
Nice.
next. Okay. Thank
Thanks,
you, everyone.
Chuy.
Thanks for being here. Thanks for this sync. It's really, really great to be back. I'm gonna be catching up this like today and tomorrow, and yeah, hopefully for the next community call, we can present like our ideas for this next semester. Like Manu and I have been talking about great, amazing ideas that we're very excited to share with you. Some of them like we already given some like sneak peeks. So
Thanks,
yeah, I'm
Chuy.
excited to be back. Thank you, everyone. I missed all of you, and we'll be in touch.